Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to delete safe password in Google Chrome browser. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here, and this is going to drop down. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to the bottom right here, and then make sure you go to settings. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here. Always go to autofill and passwords. Click on that. Then you take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to Google Password Manager. Then you take you right here. What you need to do is to simply select a particular password you would like to delete from your Google account. So I'm going to simply click on this one right here. I'm going to select this particular password. It's going to open up like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to come down below right here. I'll make sure I click on delete. It's as simple as that. You can see password deleted. So basically, this is how to simply delete password in Google Chrome. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.